friends, welcome to Online Learning with Fatma. I'm your host Fatma. In this episode, we are diving into the fascinating world of chemistry and exploring its various branches. Let's break down each branch and uncover their significance using simple words and relatable examples. So let's get started. The first one, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is all about understanding how things are made up and how they behave, like figuring out what makes things solid, liquid, or gas, and how they change when it gets hotter or colder. Just like how you mix cocoa and milk to make chocolate, physical chemistry helps us understand why the cocoa dissolves and why it gets smooth when stirred and why it tastes better when warm. So where they are used? They are used in designing efficient batteries, creating new materials, and understanding reactions in our bodies. Next, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is like detective work with carbon-based molecules. It's about studying compounds that are the building blocks of life and stuff we use every day. Think of baking cookies. Organic chemistry explains why flour, sugar, and butter turn into delicious treats when mixed and baked. It helps chemists create new materials like the ones in your favorite toys. Application scope of this branch covers petroleum, petrochemicals, and pharmaceutical industries in making medicines, developing new materials, and even creating flavors and scents. Next, inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry looks at all the other elements and compounds that are not centered around carbon. It's crucial for making things like metals and glass. Imagine melting sand to make glass for windows. Inorganic chemistry explains how the sand turns into clear glass, helping us understand how different materials are formed. Next, biochemistry. Biochemistry is like the secret language of life. It's about understanding how living things work on a chemical level, like we need food to grow and stay healthy. Think about how your body uses food to give you energy, just like a car needs fuel to run. Biochemistry helps scientists understand the process and develop better ways to keep us healthy. So that's why biochemistry used in medicines to understand diseases, developing new drugs, and improving food production. Next, industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry is like a factory's recipe book. It's about making chemicals on a big scale for things like making paper, clothes, and even growing better crops. Picture a farm. Industrial chemistry helps make fertilizers that give plants the nutrients they need to grow and strong, just like the way we need healthy food to grow. Next, nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry explores the super small world of atoms and how they release energy. It is the science behind nuclear power and medical treatments. Ever heard of X-rays at the dentist? Nuclear chemistry helps create these special rays that help doctors see inside our bodies, like superheroes with X-ray vision. Next, environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry is like being a guardian for the earth. It's about understanding how chemicals affect our surroundings and finding ways to keep our planet clean. Think about cleaning up a dirty pond. Environmental chemistry helps scientists figure out what pollutants are in the water and how to clean it so animals and plants can thrive. So that's why it's used in studying pollution sources, managing waste, and improving air and water quality. Next, analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is like being a detective with chemicals. It's about figuring out what things are made of and how much of each thing is there. Imagine you have a smoothie. Analytical chemistry helps us figure out what fruits are in it and how much of each. This scale is used in checking if water is safe to drink or if food is healthy. So, that's a quick tour through the amazing world of chemistry. Each branch helps us understand different aspects of the world, from the tiniest particles to the environment around us. Stay curious and remember, chemistry is all around you, making things work in a magical ways. See ya!